Again. I just wanted to post an epilogue to the series on fixing a bug in a new code base. Our pull request has been merged and deployed to production, so we actually have some code on the live site now. I think it's always really satisfying to have your code merged to production, and wanted to give you all the opportunity to see that as well. So here is what happens when we get a user that exists. That's my user, got my Twitter, my GitHub, links to my profile, all that stuff. That looks good. And then if we put in a user that doesn't exist, deleted user, no links, nothing. Cool. So that's what we did, everybody. If you enjoyed this series, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. I do post videos like this from time to time. So yes, please do subscribe, and I will see you in a future video.